From pixels to possibilities, explore the marvels of computer vision and AI with us. Hey there, I'm Dr. Satya Mallick, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to OpenCV University. But don't be mistaken, our focus isn't limited just to the OpenCV library. Our passion lies in uncovering the limitless potential of computer vision, deep learning, and AI. Plus, we'll sprinkle in some indispensable career advice to navigate this ever-evolving field. Expect consistent, engaging videos that demystify these complex concepts. And for a more focused learning experience, we provide you with our structured courses like OpenCV Bootcamp and TensorFlow Bootcamp, completely free of charge. These bootcamps provide a systematic approach to master the skills you need to excel in your journey. Our goal is to be your guide in this AI journey so you discover your best and climb great heights in your AI career. Subscribe today and let's grow together as we navigate this ever-evolving world of AI. The future awaits, and we are excited to have you on this journey with OpenCV University.